Let's learn how to create this eye look under 5 minutes. So first off, I'm using a tape and putting it on my eye in a diagonal position.
Next up, I'm going to be using a concealer on my eye just to like mattify and have a clean canvas. And then I'm just going to blend it all in using a brush. Same thing, other side. Okay, now that we have our concealer on, I am going to use compact powder and a little powder puff, and then just set my eyes so we have a nice base. My next step is to use this NYX palette, which is pretty colorful, and use the lightest shade of pink, which I have over here, and just softly just go ahead and make that inner crease. So this will be our transition shade. And I'm picking up the same product and just put it a little above where you would put your eyeliner. And then do the same on the other side. Now what I'm going to be doing is, now I'm going to be using this purple eyeliner and just use a close-up mirror and try to draw an eyeliner and keep your side brush handy so you can smudge it out. And then we're going to do this same thing again, just to build some depth. And bring it about halfway through the eye and smudge it out right again. I feel like this is a proper intensity that we're looking for. I'm going to be repeating the same on the other eye. Next up, I'm going to take the precision brush again and use this light purple on the inner side. And then do the same on the other side. And then I'm going to be using this sparkly purple, picking it up on the brush, and putting it on the same purple eyeliner that we've put with light hands. And then pick up more as you need. Now you take the fluffy blending brush again and pick up some light purple and just blend out the whole thing towards the outer corner. And then do the same thing on the other side. And that is our purple eye base. And then just to create some effect, what I'm going to do is, first things first, clean up the precision brush. And then I'm going to be using the same concealer that we used, and just use this precision brush and try to draw a little bit of a crease, but not like all the way through. So now that we have this, I'm going to use the fluffy brush and then just clean it. You really only need like 2 brushes, max 3 brushes for this whole eye look. So don't worry if you don't have like fancy tools. You don't need fancy tools for this. And then we're going to be using the same compact that we use as a base and just like mattify this so it's not wet. Same thing here. And then now I'm going to be using, so enough of the color because too much color isn't good either. So now I'm going to be using a little bit of shimmer and just using my finger, not a brush, and then just like dabbing here on the crease. Try to see that you don't do like the shimmer on anything above the crease, because then you're not going to like the finishing of it. I like to take it to the next level and use this glittery,
you're good to go,
liner, and then just literally draw the curve on the crease that we drew.
eye look.
I really like it. And then like kind of like let it like fade.